There are many things you can do to improve the quality of your exercise. But most people don't realize that there are things you never do, especially before exercise. From small mistakes to much larger mistakes. So, if you want to get the best result from your workout, here is the 8 things you should definitely avoid doing before hitting the gym or doing exercises. 1. Avoid drinking too much water before a workout. Many are addicted to the concept of accommodation to replenish water. When it comes to water goals, they will try to get rid of them all immediately before exercise. It is good to stay hydrated throughout the day and make sure you drink enough water. Usually not a good idea is before exercise or exercise when you drink a ton of water directly. When you exercise, if your stomach is filled with a ton of water, then your blood will flow to your limbs again. Water can make you feel sick and cramping during the entire exercise. The best option to avoid, drink a little amount of water during the exercise and then make sure to drink water throughout the day equally. 2. You should not drink alcohol before a workout. You may feel like a superman after drinking some alcohol, which may eventually motivate you to go to the gym. I strongly recommend that you should not, because alcohol is a depressant. It will slow down your reaction time, coordination, and balance ability. It is more dangerous and may cause serious injury if you are not careful. If you exercise right after drinking, the alcohol content in your blood will still rise. The problem with the alcohol is that it does make your body a lot of dehydration. If you combine it with a lot of sweating exercise, it may causes various adverse side effects. 3. Taking some sort of pain reliever before a workout. Painkillers can may range from Tylenol to Anvils to muscle relaxants. The truth is that no matter how sore you are, you should avoid painkillers. These are not good ideas to take before exercise. Ibuprofen may cause intestinal problems or even complete intestinal injury. Muscle relaxants before lifting weights, as this may cause injury because your body reacts slowly. If you have a soreness, you can skip the exercise to another day. Better adapt to the exercises. The soreness will naturally get better over time. 4. Performing cardio directly before lifting weights. Walking on a treadmill for a 5 minutes to warm up before lifting weights will not bring much negative impact. If you prolong exercise for 15 to 30 minutes, will definitely have a negative impact on weightlifting. If you do aerobic exercises before lifting weights, you will consume a lot of precious glucose. The main reason is because it will reduce your performance again, and it is most likely to force you to lift a lighter weight or reduce your repetitive exercise. This is because glucose is the main weightlifting when you eat carbohydrates throughout the process. 5. Stretching before lifting weights. Before you exercise, not all forms of stretchings are bad, but most people do static stretching. Stretching is something you only want to do after you finish your workout. Lengthening the muscle and keeping it in the stretched position for a certain period of time. Dynamic stretching is a form of active stretching in which you can move back and forth in the entire range of motion. After passive stretching, weightlifters cannot jump high and weightlifters cannot lift so much. You can do dynamic stretch which can be used as a part of your warm up, can save static stretching in case your muscles have tightened after exercise. 6. Never eat a big meal too close before your workout. You eat and start digesting food, your body naturally directs blood flow to the digestive organs. On the other hand, when you exercise, your body will naturally direct blood to your limbs, especially the muscles you are exercising. This puts digestion and exercise in a competitive situation. So essentially, both are fighting for more blood. When food is sitting in your stomach, you can easily feel bloated, heavy, and nauseous. You should avoid eating a lot of food directly before exercising is that digestion itself requires a lot of energy. Some people will need more time to fully digest food long as you are before exercising after eating in about 2 to 3 hours. Remember, meals that are high in fat or only contain a lot of food will take longer to digest, so plan accordingly. 7. Drinking too much coffee before you start working out. Caffeine is a very common and a beneficial supplement taken before exercise. There is no doubt that it can help you increase energy, lose weight, increase motivation, and focus. The problem is that too much caffeine intake will cause more contractions in the colon and cause more bile production, thereby increasing bowel movement. This is why caffeine is called natural laxative, and you will find yourself sitting on the toilet. This is because if you consume too much caffeine before exercise, it will produce a series of side effects which may ruin your day. Some of these side effects include restlessness, insomnia, fast or abnormal heartbeat, anxiety, heartburn, and increased blood pressure. 8. Do not take long nap before workout. Even if there is nothing wrong with taking a long nap, it may have the opposite effect. You might be looking for it during a short to 20 to 30-minute nap, and research shows that it makes you feel energetic and refreshed. Longer than that make you feel drowsy and tired than before nap. So if you feel tired before going to the gym, you can take a nap at will. Just make sure to keep it short.